Okay, this is hole 3 for Robbie TV.
Okay, ready? Set. Go. Oh, you missed. Swing and a miss.
I like the
Ready?
skateboard.
Set, go.
Here it goes. Bonk.
Good job.
Good job.
Who's up? Amber.
Amber, your turn.
Your turn. Come on,
Are you
buddy.
going?
Robbie's waiting for you.
Okay, Daddy, skip over Amber.
I'll do my best. I'll do my best. Okay. Ready?
Look. Into the pond.
Oh,
Close, Dad. Good job.
I am a little closer. Not much, though. You ready to roll down?
Who's
the hill? I'm
next?
waiting for Mom.
Me.
All right.
Oh, Amber's
you're
coming.
go. Amber's changed her mind. She wants to go. Woohoo! There you go, sweetie. Ready? You go hit it. It'll go right down the hill. Hit it good. Hit it hard. There it goes. Little more. Good job.
Let's see.
Hey.
Let
Now
me
wait for Mom.
try
Let
it
me go
again.
stop the cameraman. Hold on, let me put the camera down. Oh, there she goes. Good job, Mom.
Mom. Ooh. Are you over?
Oh, I'm ready.
No, it's not exactly.
Ready?
I
I don't know about that.
Good job, Amber.
Ready, set.
Oh, Mommy hit it hard. Good job, Mom.
Oh, almost.
Amber, you can't see your ball,
All right,
right?
come on. Amber, leave it there.
Oh.
You're not listening.
Amber
You
knocked it
did
down
it,
the pooper.
Mom. I
Your turn to knock
helped
her
you.
down.
Thank you. Okay,
Get
here
walking.
comes Robbie.
Walk. 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 Whoa, we're going downhill. Yeah, that's a good idea. This up. Down the hill. It's hard going downhill, isn't it? Step. 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 Which hole?
Come on, Robbie. Don't touch it, Amber. No.
Amber.
No. Amber, leave it alone. That is not your ball.
Walk, Robbie.
Watch that hole.
I know.
Good job walking, Robbie.
All right, let's turn.
Let's
Let go,
turn.
please.
Amber, you're not listening. You're going to go wait in the car.
Pick your club up off of the green. Okay? Wait. You have to line up. Now. Ready? Set. Go.
Almost.
Good job. Want to clean this one up? Alright, let's clean it up.
Amber, stay here.
Clean it up. Go. It's a pooper, remember?
There it goes. Okay, Dad, finish it up.
Clean his up. Excuse me.
There it goes.
Yes.
All right,
Can you
I
bring
got to
my
get the
club down
bag.
there?